In this video, I'm going to show you the save and import buttons and what they do. So let's say I have just finished a big analysis like this. I have the EFA all figured out and the CFA all built and estimated, and I did a bunch of stuff in a structural model, including group comparisons, and I have all this output, and I don't want to lose this, and I don't want to have to keep my browser session open. What I can do is go to the top and click Save Current Session. That saves it to my Downloads folder. And then check this out, even if I completely reset everything, it is all gone now. Even if I close this browser tab and reopen it, I can then just click on Import, go find that file, open it, and it reconstructs the entire analysis. It is all here, including the data. So if I go back to the exploratory factor analysis, it's there. If I go to the CFA, it's there with estimates already in there. The SEM, already done. The SEM results, built. That's pretty cool. What's even cooler is you can share these files. So if you're collaborating and you've done an analysis and you want to share it with a collaborator, you can just share that file. For me, that file lives in the Downloads folder. So here it is. You can rename it to whatever you want as long as it ends in .semwise.json. Like my project V1. That will upload just fine. Let me clear this out. Go to Import. Here's my project V1. Fully refreshed. I hope that helps.